In detail, Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, wife of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the National People's Party candidate, emerged victorious in the Gambegre by-election, defeating her closest rival Sadia Rani M. Sangma of the Trinamool Congress by a margin of 4,594 votes. The NPP secured 12,678 votes in the closely watched contest, while the TMC managed 8,084 votes. Congress, which once held a dominance presence in the region, came third with its candidate Jijang M. Marak garnering 7,695 votes. The Bharatiya Janata Party fared poorly with its candidate Bernard N. Marak failing to cross the 1,000 vote mark.
But the people of Gambegre have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Gambegre for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambegre that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambegre.